Hi guys, we will see how to add or remove a program on Windows Startup in Windows 10, 8 or 7. So let's start. First of all, we will check the currently available list. Right click on taskbar and start task manager, then just go to the startup tab. We will see all the list of programs that are currently being run on startup. Now we want to add this XAMPP icon, XAMPP program on startup. So let's try. First of all, we need to start on Windows and type cmd, that for command prompt, and type shell colon startup, shell colon startup. Hit enter. Here we can see it's empty. Now we'll copy the program shortcut to this folder. That's it. Now it will run when the computer starts. Let's verify the list of startup program from the task manager again. Just go to the startup tab and you can see the program is on it. Oh great. Now if you want to remove it anytime, just delete from this list and it will be deleted. That's it. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.